Hello, I'm Marianne Wolf from UCLA, and I'm going to be one of your speakers at the Haskins Language and Literacy Institute for Educators. I'm so delighted to be able to tell you about it. There's going to be such wonderful speakers, and we're all invested in trying to bring our knowledge from neuroscience, from education, into the classroom, into best practices for you. So I hope you'll join us. It's on June 23rd and 24th. It's about the neuroscience, the science of reading, and the poetry of reading. So we want to be sure that you know that our real task here is to bring knowledge to you that you can use and use it with joy and inspiration. So I hope you join us June 23rd and 24th. And I hope you will find this a really rich, rewarding experience. Take care.